Good morning. My name is Rebecca Barbish Levinson, and I guess it's actually afternoon right now, but it is April 5th, 2026, and I am a Pepco victim. Wonder how many other people out there are thinking about their Pepco bills this morning. I bet a lot of you, because they're unaffordable because Pepco is committing billing fraud. But today we have a special guest, the Wizard of Fraud. Woo! Pepco finally sat down to speak with me. Pepco's Pepco Holdings Inc.'s Assistant General Counsel Kunle Adeyemo had this to say in September.
Saying do not add up. And I don't know why, if you say you're being transparent and honest, why nobody will just sit down and talk with me and tell me what is going on openly and honestly.
Ms. Levinson, this is why we can't sit down and talk with you, because you don't let us speak, and you've already made up your mind as to what we have and have not done. And that is the issue.
So I have not let them speak. They put in a brief that said that their legal obligation is to bill on validated data on their side that left the meter already, and they have. But then they gave me data that is entirely not validated, specifically every single meter reading from July 1st, 2023, when I moved back into my home, until August 25th, 2025, right before Mr. Adeyemo made that representation. They're all not validated. And then I followed up with him with an email, and I said, "Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize that you couldn't speak with me." And this was after the hearing officer, let's hear Mr. Antonio tell me that he doesn't have the authority to adjudicate my complaint that had been pending at that point for 7 months. And that was after 4 or 5 months of the futile informal resolution process, where basically the Office of Consumer Services at the Public Service Commission, they withhold Pepco's written responses from you and let Pepco keep changing the meter readings on your account. And then they claim that they have no authority to do anything, and they make you go to a informal hearing / mediation, and then they made me file a brief because I wanted a method or means to independently verify the accuracy of our Pepco bills, including those issued to date and bills issued in the future. I know it makes me a terrible person, right? Why would I ever want that? But let's see what Mr. Antonio, the Commission's hearing officer, has to say.
What you're asking for, I have the authority to provide.
I guess it confuses me because the rules set up a process for you to adjudicate this. So how can you not have the authority?
Actually, the looking for it should be linked toward the commission itself, which is an investigation of Pepco.
No, this is happening to me though. They're still falsifying my bills. They just issued a bill where they said my reading is unavailable. They can make my bill say anything it wants. It's been going on for a year. Please, where do I go? I asked in my complaint, I said, I don't know the right process. Can the commission institute an investigation, hold a hearing, do something, but make this stop. It's your jobs, it's the law. And everybody's saying we can't help you.
I've explained it to you several times already. If you can't comprehend it, then, what can I do?
Well, yeah, if you can't comprehend it, well, what can I do? File a writ of mandamus.
So the Commission's hearing officer insulted me by saying if I can't comprehend it. Well, what I can't comprehend is Pepco's billing fraud and their enablement of it. Do you have anything to say about that, Wizard of Fraud? No, you don't. Oh, but Pepco did finally call me because the Commission dismissed my complaint, and I had refused to pay my bill when I realized they were inflating it. So now I have a $500 balance over the last year, which I haven't even cashed my check for $600. So at the end of the day, they owe me money still. And I had to buy this light to do these videos. I had to learn how to build a website. I basically have devoted my entire life to this for the last 18 months. And the Commission did pretend to institute an investigation in the 1050 formal case where Pepco and the Office of the People's Counsel and the Commission staged. So what they do, they stage these things so it looks like people are doing their job, and then secretly they're working against us. It's insane. I mean, the commission said it was going to investigate all these issues, and then nobody ever followed up. I have the FOIA request and the documents to prove it. So really, unless the people, we have to take the power back because they're not going to help us. Hope everybody is having a wonderful day, and I really, really hope that next year, before spring break, I'm not still working on this.